I'm going to set up the Christmas tree, and the last time I did it was with Dad. I've done this for so long. Okay, let's do it. Amor, bom dia. Let's make our beautiful Christmas tree. This tree was actually a gift that I was not with any intention of using ever. But I just wanted to bring some sparkle into the house and actually rescue some memories. And I just went ahead and started to set it up. Yes, see, I'm going to do it. This December is already different. This Vlogmas is not a performance, it's a journey. 31 days, a real life, real food, and some cracking on the floor. If you heard the steps, the house is crackling all over the place. And you are here with me from the very first step of December. Dad and I, we would go tree hunting together. And without knowing it, actually, my dad became my first sustainability teacher. We would never choose the biggest or the most perfect one. We would choose the one that would have like around 2.5 meters. Dad would choose a tree in the middle of many others so you wouldn't be missed. And he would say, well, we take this one because it would even help the other ones to grow. He taught me respect for nature before respect even had a name for me. And that's why I actually love trees and I cry just like Idia Fix. That note, I absolutely love this one that is plastic and I will never throw it away and I will never give it away. No cutting trees, no buying more. That's it. It's a way of sustainability, reusing, recycling, anything you want. Then we would arrive home, stand the tree up, and it was always wonky. Some years they were kind of crooked, some years the branches, they were like so scarce and so weak. But to us, it was always nearly perfect. To be honest, everybody complained about it. We would always say, oh, such an ugly tree. Then was time to make it so beautiful. First with the Christmas lights, always colorful, never minimalist. Then the ribbons and the balls. And they were yellow, red, blue, green. They were golden and silver. We had all the colors, of course. We would fill every tiny pine needle that existed. No empty spaces allowed. Christmas had to be loud with color. It was so much fun. And the most important part, we're going to make Bethlehem. Newspaper first to make the hills, and a brown paper with ink stains, and they look like ground. And then the lake, it was a broken mirror, and the lake, it was completely sacred for me because that's where I would leave my messages for baby Jesus to make things come true for me. Our letters were for baby Jesus, not for Santa. Okay, so we're nearly finishing. Now the last one. Then we would start to build all the nativity and to have baby Jesus, Mary, Joseph, the three wise men, the shepherd. We had the sheep and the full village with several images. They were so cute and wonderful. My favorite one was baby Jesus. They had the most perfect face. And he had a baby blue gown. It was so beautiful and precious. And the most important thing was to be careful so we wouldn't break it. Unfortunately, one day, baby Jesus' heads, they were broken. Anyway, it just became another piece for making a wonderful kintsugi, right? The cow had the horns like completely gone. So many years this when with children around, it was so funny, it was so precious. And then of course, we would finish and we just admire for a little bit, and the silence was just, I can feel the silence of those days. It was so beautiful. The background of the velvet curtains, and then we opened the window so everybody could see the Christmas lights flashing on, very bright, very colorful. It was really, really precious. And it was absolutely beautiful and colorful, really, really special. then we would go to the kitchen and we'll make a hot chocolate. Mama would make it the hot chocolate usually, and we make a Spanish chocolate, a very thick chocolate. So I'm going to start making it, and then let's have it. Now I'm going to make chocolate for two. Ingredients in description. Mom would always make it with a fouet, slowly, patiently, with love. I use my magic wand now, Modern Life, and I blend it until thick, warm, and velvety. And I poured 2 cups, one in my dad's honor and one for me. Yeah, that happens. Trick is that we wash it immediately. It's easier to do. Dad loved hot chocolate, and he would eat it with a spoon. This is thick chocolate. It's like Spanish chocolate. It's unbelievable. We used to eat it for Christmas as well, when we would go to Salamanca, and we would eat it with churros.
Conte lá, o que estava a dizer?
Quem nos farta ao comer, nos farta ao lamber.
And in my father's honor, I do have some nice chocolate here, and at the end of our Christmas tree at home, and I was robbed. Well, somebody stole my father's cup. What? Hey, Peyton and Violet, they're here. Let's welcome them. Oh, look at them. They're already into mischief. They stole the hot chocolate. Thank you for coming, guys. Oh my God, how was the trip? Can you imagine? First day and they're already showing up. Well done, guys. I haven't seen them all day. They just came up now. Look at them. They're so naughty and so cute right from the beginning. How amazing is that? Well, I hope you liked the first day of Vlogmas with our Christmas tree, hot chocolate, and the amazing presents of Peyton and Violet. Peyton and Violet, they were named by 2 of our amazing Gabrielians, and here they are. Amazing. Lucas and Chloe. So they are the godparents for Peyton and Violet. Welcome back. Please subscribe to the channel for more. Tomorrow we have new stories and new recipes. Bye. Welcome home, Violet and Peyton. Welcome home.